ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण 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 नारायण। श्री हरे नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानामेकदन्तम् उपास्महे। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्री हयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मं वासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्दे कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्कं सुरवरकणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिं सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसपरिदैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेळीरथमधिशुभकं वस्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलसलक्षणकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहास स्यन्दात्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगद वनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं श्रीवत् चारु चारु स्निग्धोरुबम्बोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। पीताम्बरकरविराजित शङ्खचक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशं हृदि भावयामि। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षाब्धिसारम्य भागवताख्य दद्मोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो भुवित्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि नाकपृष्ठं न सिद्धिलाभं परमीशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मोक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानां। श्रीहरे नमः। Okay. We will start with the sixth one. 12th दशकं 6th श्लोक। We'll go alphabetically. Anita ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one, no? Yes. तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थः
तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपः
जनस्तपस्थः
तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्ताथः
Correct. Next. सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो
नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् correct.
नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
मुनयो muni is there, no? So munayo
नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्. I'll just repeat that, huh?
Yes.
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्.
Okay. So we'll do this first line. तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्. Is that okay, ma'am?
Correct. ततस्तोत्र हर्षुलमनः परिणध्य भूयः ततस्तोत्र हर्षुलमनः
ततस्तोत्र
मनाः that's it.
ततस्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणत्य भूयः ततस्तोत्र हर्षलनमना परिणत्य भूयः ततस्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणत्य भूयः
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्ति अवातरस्त्वम्.
Murtihi is there, no? So it becomes Murti Ra. Okay, Ir comes, Ir plus A becomes Ra. So it becomes Vipula Murti Ra Vatarastvam.
Okay. तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिर्वातरस्त्वम्. तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिर्वातरस्त्वम्. विपुलमूर्तिर्वातरस्त्वम्.
Correct.
So तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिर्वातरस्त्वम्.
Very nice.
Okay.
Third line, excuse me.
Sorry.
Third line, tatstotraha or tatas. Here in English, it's written tat.
Tat, it is actually tat stotra Harsha. Harshalumana. Okay. So it is Harshulamana. Okay. ततस्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना
परिणद्य भूयः
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवारतस्वं
वातरस्त्वम्
वातरस्त्वं.
Very nice.
I'll just repeat that.
Yes. It is not very easy. Okay.
Yes. I'm sorry, ma'am.
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणत्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्.
Very nice. One more time. तत्स्तोत्र
हर्षुलमना परिणत्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्.
Very nice. We'll do the 2 lines together. Okay. तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्
तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवारतस्वम्. वातरस्त्वम्.
Correct. One more time, yes.
तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः.
One more time, Anita ji. तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य
जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं वातरस्त्वम्.
Okay, very nice. It is not very easy. Ambuliji.
तं ते निनादम् उपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्. तं ते निनादम् उपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमना परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्.
Very nice.
No, that's
enough. Thank you.
Okay,
Very nice. Just a moment. சரி, இதுக்கு மீனிங்க பார்த்துடலாம். So here, tamte ninadam upakarnya. Some tamte ninadam means. So till here, what did we see? That that Hiranyakshan had come, and then he had actually submerged Bhumi Mata in the ocean. Okay. in the cosmic ocean, and then all the sages and everybody go to Brahma and they plead for this help, and then Brahma immediately, he was already in Bhagavan's in his stuti. So he what did they do? They all went to the Lord and they all surrendered and they seeked his help. Okay. So, and then after that, what happens? From Brahma's nose, a tiny boar comes out. Okay. But very soon it takes the form of an elephant and it grows like a mountain in no time. Okay. Seeing this form, everyone, Brahma and the other munis, everyone are very, very, they are all wonderstruck when they see this. Okay. So this is what happens after seeing his form. Okay. Now the next. So now, and then they could all hear the roar of the boar. Okay. And they were all thinking, who is this? So now after hearing this roar of Bhagavan, so that is what they are saying, Tam te ninadam, that is your roar. Okay. Upakarnya, after hearing your roar, what did they do? The inhabitants, okay, Janas tapasthaha, so the inhabitants, the people who are living in Janaloka and Tapaloka, okay, and all those who are there in Satyaloka. So in all these three lokas who are there, so the sages, who will be there? Obviously, sages are there, okay, in Janaloka, Tapaloka, Satyaloka, all the sages who were there, the residents, okay, they were all like, they started singing the glories of the Lord, okay. So they started singing the Lord's praise, and hearing their stuti, Bhagavan was very pleased, okay. So Bhagavan was very pleased on hearing this, and then what did he do? He again roared, okay, and he roared. He had assumed such a big form, and in that big form he roared and he jumped into the ocean. Okay, that is what him. Toyashem, that is in the ocean. Again he roared, and with this huge form, he just jumped into that ocean. Okay, that is the meaning of this shloka. Next, the seventh one. Third, who is third?
Bhagyaji is not there, na?
So Deepti ji, you will. You will. Okay. Seventh one. Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhuta roma.
Urdhva prasari paridhuma vidhuta roma.
Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhuta roma.
Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhuta roma.
Very good. Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
One more time.
Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
Very nice. That line together, you say.
Okay.
Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhuta roma. Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
Urdhva prasari paridhuma.
Paridhumra
paribhumra vidhuta roma. Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
Okay.
Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhuta roma. Prokshipta valadhira vangmukha ghora ghonaha.
Turna Pradina Jaladav Parigurna Dakshna.
Turna Pradina Jalada.
Parigurna
Pradina Jalada.
Parigurna Dakshna.
Parigurna Dakshna.
Hmm.
Parigurna Dakshna.
Correct. Turna Pradina Jaladav Parigurna Dakshna.
Turna Pradina Jalada. Parigurna Dakshna.
Ah.
Turna Pradina Jalada. Parigurna Dakshna.
Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam.
Stotrun Munin Shishirayat Navatirtitvam. Stotrun, sorry, little wrong. Stotrun
Navateri
Munin.
Tattvam.
Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navatirtitvam.
Oh, here, let me just tell you. If you find it difficult to, recite here, you can split here. Okay. Stotrun Munin Shishirayan. Okay. After yan, you can give a pause and you can say Avatiri Tattvam. No problem. Okay. But if you are telling it continuously, it will become Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam. Okay? Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam. Okay? It will become like this.
I'll try. Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam.
That's it. If you want to give a break, then say in and then say a. Okay? If you don't want to give a break, then you can directly say in and then Navateri Tattvam. Okay?
Got it. Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam.
Turna Pradina Jaladav Parigurna Dakshna. Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam.
Turna Pradirna Jalata Parigurna Dakshna. Stotrun Munin Shishirayan Navateri Tattvam.
Very nice. Now say both the lines together.
Yeah. Ma'am, shall I say?
Yeah, you tell.
ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोक्षिप्त वालधिरवान्मुख घोर गुण तूर्णा प्रदीन जलद परिघूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोत्रोन्मुनिं शिशिरयन्नवतीरितत्वम्.
Very nice. After Deepti ji?
Kamala ma'am.
ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोक्षिप्त वालधिरवान्मुख घोर गोनः तूर्ण प्रदीर्ण जलदः परिघूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोत्रन्मुनीं शिशिरयन्नवतेरितत्वम्.
Very nice. So again here, how is Bhagavan? How is he? I mean, how does he look at this time? That is what we are saying here. Urdhva prasari. Urdhva prasari means he is standing erect. He is standing straight. Okay. And then paridhumra vidhuta roma. Roma means is the hair which is there. Okay, on the body. Paridhumra. The color of the hair is like that reddish color. Okay, that reddish color hair that is it is moving. Okay, that hair is moving. Okay, like when we stand in the wind or something, how the hair moves, that kind. Okay, so it is moving. It's shivering or moving. No, not shivering, moving. Okay, then prokshipta valadhi. Prokshipta, it means he has a tail. Valadhi means the tail. The tail. How is the tail? It is lifted up. Okay, so it is pointing upwards. And then avangmukha Ghora Ghonaha. Avangmukha. Avangmukha means he's looking down. Why? Because the earth is down inside the ocean. So he is looking down. So Avangmukha, he is looking down and is not the snout is there, no? It's fear. That the nose, what we say, no, of the boar. So it is like it's a fierce one. Ghora Ghonaha. It is very fierce. So that is what. And he is pointing. So how is he? He is standing erect. The hair is red in color. That hair is moving, and his tail is lifted upwards. He is looking down with his fierce snout. Okay, snout. That's it. Okay. Then Turna Pradirna Jaladhaha. Turna Pradirna Jaladhaha. It means what? Turna. It means he with ease. Okay, there's no difficulty. It's very easy. With a lot of ease, he just breaks through the clouds. He just goes through the clouds. Okay. So, and then Parighurnita Akshana. How is his eyes? His eyes are all rolling. This rolling eyes. He just easily just breaks through the clouds and jumps into the waters. Okay, and he just jumps down. And seeing this, the sages who were praising him, they were all delighted to see this beautiful form of the Bhagavan. Okay, so that is what is here. So with this reddish hairs all standing up erect, and he is standing straight. His tail is lifted upwards, and with that fierce snout of his, he is looking down, and then he just jumps. He just breaks through the clouds because he's speeding, right? He's just going down with that speed. So the clouds just get scattered. Okay, just like that, and he is just plunging into the cosmic water. He just jumps into it. And seeing this, all the Muni and everyone, all the sages, they are all very happy. They are all delighted to see this. Okay. Alright. So this is the 7th one. We'll go to the 8th one. Next, after Kamalaji, who is there?
Purnachandra, madam.
Ha. 8th one. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakrachakram.
Antarjalam tadadu
Sankula nakrachakram.
Sankula nakrachakram. Antarjalam tadadu sankula nakrachakram.
Very nice. Bhramyatimingilakulam Kalushor mimalam. Bhramyatimingilakulam Kalushor mimalam.
Bhramyatimingilakulam Kalushor mimalam. Bhramyatimingilakulam.
Kalushor mimalam.
Kalushor mimalam. Bhramyatimingilakulam Kalushor mimalam.
There is nothing to split here actually, Ji. You have to tell this as it is. Okay. Where were we? Okay. This line we will say. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakrachakram bhramyatimingilakulam kalushor mimalam.
Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakrachakram bhramyatimingilakulam किमिङ्गिलकुलं पदुषो विमालम्
Very nice.
अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुल चक्रं ब्राह्मत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं पदुषो विमालम्.
Very nice. आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् रसातलस्थान्.
To end in the
In.
आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आविश्य भीषणरवेण
रसातलस्थान्.
आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान्.
Very nice. आकम्पयन् वसुमतीं. Sorry. आकम्पयन् वसुमतीं गवेषयस्त्वम्. How do I? Vasumatim agavesha. You do it like this. Akambayan Vasumatim agaveshayastvam.
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्.
Correct.
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्.
Yastvam. Okay.
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्.
Okay.
अघवेशयस्त्वम्. आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्.
This line will do. Avishya bhishanaraveణ rasatalasthan akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam.
आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्. आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अघवेशयस्त्वम्.
Very nice. The two lines together will do. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakrachakram भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम्.
अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुल प्रचक्रं ब्रह्मत्तिमिङ्गिलकुल मधुषो विमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम्.
Correct. Next, who is there?
Premanan. Andarjalam tadanu sangula nakrachakram pramyattimingilakulam kalushormimalam avishya bhishana ravena rasatalastan akambayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam.
Very nice. So here now what is happening? Antarjalam. So how is the scene over there? Okay. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakrachakram. Antarjalam now he is jumped inside, right? Now he is inside the water. So inside the water when he jumps, that time tadanu, then at that time sankula nakrachakram. There are crocodiles And they were all like, when all of a sudden he goes inside, all the crocodiles are just moving here and there. Okay, so they were all moving here and there. Then Bhramya Timingila Kulam. So there were also these Timingilam, that is, we call in Tamil also Timingilam. So whales, isn't it? We call whale. So these whales, what did Bhramya? They started going round and round here and there. They were also moving. So Kulam means all, so many whales together, no? So they were all moving here and there. Then Kalusha Urmi Malam. So here Urmi means the waves. Okay. So the waves, what happened when he jumped inside? There were huge waves which were formed. Okay, because the water becomes turbulent at that time, no? So the huge waves were formed when he jumped inside. So, okay. Now, Avishya Bhishana Ravena. So, after entering into this water with a fierce roar, okay, Bhishana Ravena means a roar, a huge sound, okay, Bhishana, a fierce roar, okay. With a fierce roar, what did he do? Rasatalasthán. Okay, Rasatalam is we know there are 14 worlds. So the 7 worlds which are below, isn't it? So the lower worlds which we call, that is the last one is Patala. Just before that you have the Rasatala. Okay, so Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala. So Rasatala. In that Rasatalam only, what he had done? He had actually put the earth there. Okay, so inside that. So now in this Rasatala Sthan, in this Akampayan, so what happened? The inhabitants, the sages, or no, not the sages, the whoever is there in the Rasatala, what happened? That whole thing, the whole world shook like anything. Okay, how did it shake? When he roared with that, the worlds actually shook with fear. Okay, and then he started searching. Agaveshya means he searched. Searched for whom? Vasumatim. He searched for the earth. Okay, so he went inside. So how was that? When he went inside, when he jumped inside, so what happened? The waters inside, when he jumped, all these crocodiles and all, they started moving here and there. The whales were just going round and round. And then there were turbulent waves. There was a turbulence in the water. Huge waves were formed. And then with a fierce wave on entering that, on hearing that, what happened? The world, the Rasatalam, completely shook with fear. And what did he do? He was searching for the earth in that Rasatalam. Okay, so that is what it is here. That is why the words here, even in Narsimha Avtaram Shlokam also, you will see that the words will be a little bit heavier to show how it was, okay, how fierce, or how, just to give an effect of that whole thing, okay. It was not something which was very soft. Now, when you see Krishna Avtaram, in that, when you see when he is playing with the gopikas and all those things will be little nice, soft, okay. Here the words will be a little bit heavier words, okay. Then we'll go to the 9th one. Okay. So 9th one.
Ma'am, this is Anita here. I need to step out. I'll just exit.
No problem. Just carry on. So Ambuliji, can you do? 9th one. Okay. दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते
दृष्ट्वा तद्दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते दृष्ट्वा तद्दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते रसातलान्ते
Very nice. संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम् संवेशितां झटिति
संवेशितां झटिति
कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
Very nice. Noted. संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
Very nice. We'll do the first line.
संवेशितां
Finish it.
झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
Very nice.
दृष्ट्वा तदैत्य शतकेन रसादलन्ते.
रसातलान्ते.
दृष्ट्वा तदैत्य शतकेन रसादलान्ते. संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम्.
Okay. आपातुकान् विगण्य सुरारिखेटान्.
आपातुकेन विघन्य सुरारिकेटान्.
आपातुकान्
आभातुकान् विघान्य सुरारिकेटान्.
आपातुकान्. Okay. So आपातुकान् अविगण्य. Okay. So it is आपातुकान् विगण्य. Either you say that or you say आपातुकान् अविगण्य. Whatever is actually if we join the two in and it would be better. आपातुकान् विगण्य. Okay, viganya, correct only, no? Surariketa.
Is it Ganaya?
Ganaya.
Ganaya, right?
Aviganaya. Aviganaya. Apatukan aviganaya. Surariketan.
आभातुकान् विघन्य सुरारिकेटान्.
One more time.
आभातुकान्
I'll tell you. Apatukan viganaya surariketan. Bha kadayadu. It is not bha. It is pa. Pa. Apat.
आपातुकान् विघन्य सुरारिकेटान्.
Very nice.
आपातुकान् विघन्य सुरारिकेटान्.
द्रंष्टाङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अदधासलीलम्. दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अदधासलीलम्.
दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अदधासलीलम्. संश्रान्पुरेण वसुता
अदधासलीलम्. आपातुकान् विगणय्य सुरारिखेटान्. दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अदधासलीलम्.
आपातुकान् विघन्य सुरारिकेटान्. संश्रान्पुरेण वसुताम् अदधासलीलम्.
Very nice. We'll do this.
आबातु काञ्चितनय्य सुरारिकेतान् दंशाङ्गुरेण वसुता अगता सलीलम्
Correct.
स्वातदैत्यहतकेन रसादलन्ते सन्वेषितम् जटितिर्विभोद्वम् आपातु कान्निधन्नय्य सुरारिकेतान् संश्राङ्गुरेण वसुताम् अगता सलीलम्.
Very nice. Who is next?
Yes, I will say now. Same one. Okay. दृष्ट्वा दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटीर्विभोत्वम् आपातु कानविगणय्य सुरारिकेटान् द्रष्टाङ्कुरेण वसुधा मददा सलीलम्.
Very nice. So here, what are they saying? Drishtvatha daitya hatakena. Okay. So, Drishtvatha, seeing. Okay. So after seeing, what did he see? Now he was searching for whom? Earth. So he has seen the earth now. He has found where earth was. Okay. So where did he see that? At the bottom of the Rasatalam. Okay. So, and how did he see? How was it? It was concealed. Okay. So, this earth, where did he conceal? At the bottom of the Rasatalam. By this wicked Asura. Okay. Daitya Hatakena. By the Asura. Okay. And it was concealed at the bottom of the Rasatalam. Okay. Then, in no time, what did he do? He Kuta Kiti Vibhotvam. So he had assumed this form of boar, isn't it? So it was like as if it was as if he had taken the form of a Maya. Okay, here Maya doesn't mean that what we actually think, like something kind of a magic or something like that. No, nothing of that sort. Here it just means that what do you say in Tamil, as you say, it's so wonderstruck, right? That kind of a thing. Okay, that is what is Maya over here. Okay, so and then what did he do? So now, obviously, when you keep a treasure or something, immediately these kings and all, they will put some security guards also over there, no? Similarly, here also there were many asuras. Apatukan, there were these asuras who were there, okay, who were actually guarding the earth. Okay, they were all there. But Bhagavan, he didn't even see them. Okay, he didn't even he just neglected these people and just rushed there. Okay, he rushed towards the earth and he just lifted her up. How did he lift up? He just lifted her up with those teeth, the tusk or whatever you call, those teeth. So with that, he just lifted her up. Okay. And he just ignored whoever was there. And all these things, how was it? It looked as if Salilam. It was as if it is a sport. Sport in the sense it was something which was done without much effort. Okay, it was done just like that. Okay, just like a child's play. We say, if somebody does something, a difficult thing, we immediately say, we say, right? So it is like that. Okay, just like a child's play, he just did that. Okay, he just went and he jumped inside. He searched for the earth. And once he just rushed towards her, and with his tusk, he just lifted her up. Okay, lifted the earth up, and he just ignored all these other asuras who were there for the guard, because those didn't matter to him at all. So, and it was just like a child's play. He just lifted her up. Okay, for us, lifting even a small thing is difficult on the earth. So, he just lifted the earth itself, just like that. Okay. So that is what Now, earth is being saved, right? Now we come to the last, final one. Next, who is there?
Kamalam.
Kamalaji. अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरां दशनाग्रलग्न
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा.
Very nice.
मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा.
Very nice. अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा.
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा.
Very nice.
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा.
Very nice. उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन्
उद्धूतघोरसलिला
जलधेरु
उद्धूतघोरसलिला
रुदञ्चन्
उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन्.
Very nice.
उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन्.
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्. क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Very nice. Tell the two lines.
उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्. उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Very nice.
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा. उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Very nice. Beautiful.
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तान्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा. उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Okay. Next is Sridevi ji. She's not there.
पूर्णचन्द्र.
Purnachandra ji.
अभ्युद्धरन्नतदरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा. उद्धूतघोरसलिला
उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधे उदञ्चन्
उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Very nice. That's it. So here Abhyudharandhana Atha. Okay. Now Dharam. Okay. Right. Now he is lifting up the earth. Okay. How? Dashana Agra Lagnam, in his front tooth. Okay. This earth is stuck in his in the front tooth of his of the boar. Okay, of the Varaha avatar. Here, how does it look? As if it is just a blade of grass which is just stuck there. Okay, so small it looks. Okay, so if a grass is stuck, how does it look like that? This earth looks. Okay, it seems as if a small grass is stuck over there. So it means what? That huge a form Bhagavan has taken. That Varaha Avataram, he has taken such a huge form that when earth is there right in front, it is just as if it is just a blade of grass which is stuck over there. Okay, so with this gigantic body, he is there. Okay, and he comes up now. Okay, Udanchan, he is coming out of it. He's emerging out of this water. And how does it? He just comes out and he shakes his body. So the whole water is just shaken. Okay, and Udhuta Ghora Salila. It means it's so fierce that huge, Varaham is just coming out of the water. So obviously it's a huge one, right? So it's fierce one. The waters of the ocean are moving, are shaken up heavily, and then but how does it look for the god? It is just as if he has taken this form in a very sporting way. Okay, as if it is just a child's play. It just looks, it's so easy for him. So he just comes out of it, and then they say, Bhagavan, please save me from all diseases. Okay, so that is what is. So what did he do? He assumed a gigantic body of a boar, so playfully. Okay, so playfully, and when he just rose from these water, when he was emerging out of this water with this huge body, the ocean became very rough. Okay, there was a lot of motion on that, so it became very rough, and he just carried the earth on his tusk. It was so small, like a blade of grass, as if there was just a blade of grass. So, and such Bhagavan, please help me, please save me from all the ailments, from all the diseases. That is the prayer that we are doing here. Okay, so this is the Varaha Avataram, how he saved the earth. Okay, that is why usually we say that the first avataram, or for all the avatars, for the earth, the most important avataram is Varaha Avataram, because the earth was saved by Varaha. Okay. Usually they say we find Varaha Avataram in all the temples, especially the Vishnu temples. If you see, you have the Varaha Avataram, and that is the first, that's the main avataram which actually saved the earth. So that is why that is very important for us. Otherwise, we won't exist, isn't it? Without that. So that is what it is. So let us wind up here. I'll do the Samapana Shloka and then we can wind up. Namami Narayana Pada Pankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvam Avyayam Narayana 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् we'll meet in the next class.